Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. Your question is, you have to evaluate limit x tends to pi by 3, 10x minus root 3 upon 9x square minus pi square. So to evaluate this limit, first of all we are going to try direct substitution. So when x is equals to pi by 3, your limiting value will be 10 pi by 3 minus root 3 upon 9 pi by 3 whole square minus pi square, and 10 pi by 3 is root 3. So root 3 minus root 3 upon pi square minus pi square, and this will assumes value 0 by 0, which is an indeterminate form. So we are going to put some formula here. What we can do is we can change the tan x into sin cos. So we can write this as sin x upon cos x minus root 3 upon 9x square minus pi square, and this can be written as limit x tends to pi by 3 sin x minus root 3 cos x upon 9x square minus pi square into cos x. Now still it is becoming 0 by 0. So we can do sin x और cos x के जो कोएफिशिएंट्स है that is 1 and minus root 3, उन दोनों के स्क्वायर्स करके और रूट करके we will get 2. So we can multiply and divide by 2. The numerator can be multiplied and divide by 2. So multiply कर लो और divide भी कर लो 2 से, then it will become this 9x square minus pi square into cos x. Now this can be written as limit x tends to pi by 3 2 times sin x, 1 by 2 can be written as cos pi by 3 minus cos x, root 3 by 2 can be written as sin pi by 3, and this is 9x square minus pi square into cos x. Now this sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So this can be written as sin a minus b 2 times sin of x minus pi by 3 upon 9x square minus pi square into cos x. Now the numerator function is still generating 0. तो आपको इसे रिजॉल्व करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, साइन वी नो दैट लिमिट theta tends to 0, sin theta upon theta will becoming 1. तो आपको उसे अप्लाई करने के लिए नीचे x minus pi by 3 जनरेट करना पड़ेगा. So you can write your limit as limit x tends to pi by 3 2 into sin x minus pi by 3, and this factor can be written as 3x square minus pi square. So 3x minus pi and 3x plus pi into cos x. Now if we take 3 common from this factor, it will become x tends to pi by 3 2 sin x minus pi by 3 upon, अगर आप 3 यहाँ से कॉमन लेते हैं then it will give you x minus pi by 3, and ये वाला फंक्शन आप यहाँ पर लिख लो 3x plus pi and cos x. अब अगर आप लिमिट पुट करते हैं अपने इस स्टेप पे, then you will get 2 by 3 and this limit will become 1. Since x tends to pi by 3, so x minus pi by 3 will tends to 0. Sin x minus pi by 3 upon x minus pi by 3 will become 1. And while putting 3x tends to pi, so pi plus pi will give you 2 pi, and cos of pi by 3 will give you 1 by 2. So 2 can be cancelled out and your answer is 2 by 3 pi, and that is the limiting value of your function.